shit. Oh, it fucking splattered on me.
Look at him, he's so loud.
Jeffrey. You blew one of his clipper thingies off.
But they grow back.
They don't grow back.
Yes, they do.
Look
That
at
thing
him twitching.
shoots out sparks, don't it?
This?
Or does it just blow up?
They, because we learned it in science, and when they have a fight or if it's like something happened to them, if their claw comes off, then they go back. You
Just
blew
do it. Who cares?
Ew, it splattered on me. And it got on our chairs. Where is it?
Get our garbage picked up.
If he's not dead now, I can't believe that.